everyone, welcome to my YouTube food video. My name is Christiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious yummy ice cream cake. If this is your first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you know when I drop new videos. Thank you so much for joining and let's do this together. So to begin, you need a bowl and of course your ice cream. Now if you don't have like a remaining ice cream like me, you can go buy from the store. Okay, so this ice cream is chocolate ice cream with chocolate bars in it. This one was remaining from the summer. We had some ice cream that we usually take during the summer, and sometimes when we have friends who come around, we also entertain them or their kids with it. So it's almost finished and I'm like, what will I do with this one? I don't want it to cross into next year because it's almost finished. So we're like, okay, let's make cake with it, right? Ice cream cake. So that's a good way to use it. So right now it's in a bowl, it's dissolved. I'm going to be adding sugar. So check in my description box please for the actual measurements for my actual recipe, the measurements of everything I'm going to be using. So that's sugar, and then I mix it together, give it a good mix to dissolve. Now I'm adding sugar because we're going to use flour and we want it still sweet, not over sweet, but cake taste, because the sugar in the ice cream won't be enough. So that's it. And right now I'm going to be adding my flour, and in this flour I'll also add baking powder. You can do well to check the description box for the actual measurements. Add the baking powder and then sieve the flour into the ice cream in the bowl, and then sieve it. Do it gradually so you'll be able to mix it properly. The reason I'm doing it gradually so I don't have lumps, okay, so I'll be able to mix it properly. So the good thing about this recipe is you don't need so much ingredients, just your ice cream, which already has most cake ingredients like egg, milk and all of that, and all you need is just your ice cream and sugar, your bowl, your flour, and your baking powder and your spatula. And then I'll bring it to a mix and then put the remaining one and bring it to a mix. Okay, right now I'm just gonna check for the consistency. You don't want it too thick, you want it in between. And then I'll just clean the side of my bowl, try to keep the surrounding clean, and we'll just continue from there. Okay, so my pan is ready. Right now I'm just going to be adding my batter into the pan. Then I'll clean my wok surface, put all this bowl and everything aside, clean my surface, and give the pan with of batter a little bit of heat just heat it a little so air can penetrate in. And then preheat your oven to 350°F to bake for 30 to 45 minutes. But for this quantity I baked it for 45 minutes depending on the quantity you're baking. Okay, and now our cake came out super nice. This is simple, super easy, time saving, and really nice. See how easy it came out from the pan, no too much stress. Wow, I really enjoyed this cake. It came out nice and super easy, and right now it's served. And I just, to go easy, I just rub in some honey, just to make it taste a little bit and look better, you know. So give this a try. Leave in the comment section how yours came out, and thank you so much for subscribing. Like, remember to hit the notification button so you get when we drop new videos. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you to all of my community members, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.